Okay, everybody, here we are again. We're working on Caroline's Anvil Everyday Carry pen and pencil set. Got a couple of cocoon blanks here. This one got some gold, green, yellow, well, gold, green, red, and some mistiness to it there. These are straight up gorgeous pens. Blower is on, and here we go. I can feel the chunks of glitter, foil, all that kind of stuff chopping off as we get down in here. This is supposed to be a pretty straight barrel, but I like to give it a little bit of fatness to give it some weight. So it won't be too fat, but it'll be nice. And because this is very glitter heavy, I'm going to do the same treatment I do for a diamond painting pen that is this heavy in glitter. And I'm going to sand it down for a little bit of its remaining thickness. So I leave it very proud of these ends right here, because this is where it's going to match up with the pen. I don't push as hard. I'm just taking down some of the girth. Okay, that's pretty good right there. We're still going to take it down quite a bit. So let's get everything out of the way, get our diaper installed, turn our blower off, and I'm going to get a very, very low grit block here. Here, this one's 80 grit. This will shape it, and this will take that that thick glitter down a little bit and make it look fabulous. So this will take off more than you think. And again, this is a everyday carry pen and pencil set done with a couple of cocoon blanks from Madam Caroline. I already talked to her in her previous videos. Wonderfully nice lady that we met. We actually were having lunch with Kara, the principal painter, and her wonderful husband, Marlon. And we were invited to come see Caroline at her Kentucky Fried Chicken. So we all went over and met Caroline, Caroline's husband. They run the Kentucky Fried Chicken, and a couple of her associates that we didn't know, but were extremely excited to meet us all. The word was coming that we were in town and coming. We're getting ready to get on a Disney cruise and out of Galveston there. And I guess in a tiny little world, you're like a mini celebrity, but we're really just a couple of folks up here just making pens and having fun. And, you know, ain't no celebrity here. It's just regular folks. We're excited to meet our customers. And, you know, quite frankly, they're the best customers I ever had. All of them, not just Caroline, but all of them. And believe me, I've run Walmarts and Amazons and all that good stuff, and I'll take this crowd over any of them. All right, that's feeling pretty good right there. Very rough, of course. So now I'm going to take it up a notch. I'm going to work on this little brap right here. It's a little too proud there. So I'm going to flip this over, get some fresh goodness on there. Taking it down millimeters at a time, or half a millimeter at a time. Yep, very proud there. All right, that's feeling pretty good there. Still feels rough because I am using 80 grit. So now we're going to bring that up to a let's go to 120 first. Smooth that out a little bit. Already feels better. Very nice. Now we'll come up to 220. And then we'll continue on with our regular surfacing and finishing. I do this particular method when it's heavy in insertions into the resin. And this would be the glitter and the foil and stuff like that. Feeling great already. Okay. All right, that's it for those. Now we're just going to go with our regular finish. And this is going to get us very close to where we want to be. It's going to start really smoothing up, shining up, all that good stuff. And we just keep working it till it's super smooth. Carrie's over there doing the shipping, working on the incoming blanks. Oh, by the way, kid, there's a Bill Durr box right there. Oh, you got it? Yeah, Carrie's already on it. Oh, that's going to be nice. This one looks very Christmassy to me with the gold, red, and the blue. Ooh, that's feeling good. Very nice, very nice. All right, let's go to our Zona paper. My buddy Troy is telling me all about this Zona paper, and I'm becoming convinced it's pretty cool. I've added it to my repertoire. I think the 600 paper lasts a little bit longer here than it does for him because I think he uses it straight up first without the sandpaper kind of deal. I'm still a chicken. All right, there's that one. Now we're going to the 1200. Very nice. Now we're going to number 3, which is 1800. Oops. Oh, yeah, this is looking way cool. That's a great blank. My goodness. Gonna be pretty. I just can't resist sometimes. It's just gonna smoke your eyeballs when this one's done. That feels so smooth. I can hardly tell the difference from one paper to the next, but apparently it makes a difference. And that's what we're after. That super smooth pen. All right, now we're going to polish this baby up. Oh yeah, I love the shine this thing puts on there. Great surface. Oh yeah, that's pretty. We'll back that one off. We'll take this out, and I'll see you over at the buffer. That's pretty. Here we go. Buff away. Let's load it up with a little bit of stuff here. Same thing with the diamond goodies over here. And then boom, here we go. Beautiful. Whew, that is a smoking blank. My goodness, look at that thing. That is beautiful. All right, next up for this Anvil pen and pencil set, as I drop my little bushings all over the floor. Oh, I just knocked my table over, moving my rolling table around. Okay, let's get this mounted on here. I'll pick that up in a second because I'm making a mess, folks, right here. Right here on roller derby. All right, let me pick up this table here. Okay. The table has been picked up. All right, got to find that bushing underneath the other table here in a bit. But right now, on to Carolyn's number 2. Did I get that on backwards? Let me check. Nope, it's on correct. Good. Change the camera back in just a second. We'll get this baby mounted up here. Here we go. Caroline's next one on her Anvil pen and pencil set. I've been looking at these for a while, sitting on my table here. Got them all laid out for Caroline. And she works so hard down there at the KFC that I'm like, I'm just going to go ahead and make a video and she can see them being turned because I wanted to do them on the live. Oh! Okay, that one is, we're going to have to find a different one for that one. I'll speak to Caroline about that. Woo, man. That does happen now and again. Little, either me or it. I'm not sure which it is. Okay. We'll turn the blower off. We'll end this video. I'll clear it up with Caroline. See what we're going to use. All right, StreamYard, and we are out. See you next time.